Friends, as you can see that in this video I have come up with a new naming reaction. Here it is the Madelung synthesis. So without any delay, let us talk about this important naming reaction. So basically it involves the production of the indole, a kind of a derivative of indole, by intramolecular cyclization of N-phenylamides using a strong base and high temperature. Okay, what I am saying that, so basically I am saying that this is the basis of the reaction. This phenylamide, upon treatment with strong base at high temperature, it gives indole derivative. Let us talk about the requirements. So the requirements for this reaction will be: first, ortho acyl amido toluene, okay, and the second will be a strong base, okay. So I hope that the requirements are clear. So let us start the reaction mechanism. As you can see that this is the ortho acyl amido toluene, okay. This is the ortho acyl amido toluene. It will react with a strong base, say N-butyl lithium, okay. Now what will happen? As you can see, it will extract the proton, okay. It will extract the proton of attached to this nitrogen, and this electron from this bond will be shifted towards the nitrogen, okay, and there will be a negative charge developed in the nitrogen. Let us see how. There will be a kind of a negative charge developed on this nitrogen atom. Here will be negatively charged developed, and all other structure will be as it is, okay. I hope that it's clear to you. Now what will happen? Again, in the presence of this N-butyl lithium, what will happen? Suppose here I have this N-butyl lithium, okay. Again, in the presence of this N-butyl lithium, this hydrogen from this methyl group will be abstracted, okay. Suppose this hydrogen is been extracted, and the electron from this bond will be shifted toward this carbon, and there will be a generation of a carbon ion. As you can see, there will be a generation of the carbon ion, and here this carbon having a negative charge. So I hope that this structure is quite clear to you. Now what will happen? This carbon will act as a nucleophile, okay, and here it will attack this electrophilic carbon, okay, because it is electron deficient, as it is attached to a more electron negative oxygen here and nitrogen here. So basically it will attack, okay, and we will have a structure something like this. Check the structure a bit. And now what will happen? As you can see from here, this carbon is not allowed to make 5 bonds, so one bond will be broken here. So this bonded electron will be shifted to this oxygen, okay, because this carbon is not allowed to make 5 bonds, and hence this oxygen will have a negative charge, okay, and it has been joined to one methyl group, as you can see, okay. I hope that it's clear, and still this nitrogen atom having a negatively charge. Now what will happen? See, in the presence of this H3O, what will happen? This electron rich nitrogen will donate this electron the electron from this bond will be shifted towards this oxygen atom, and we will have a structure something like this. Please check the structure. So we will have a structure like this. Now again, in the presence of H3O, what will happen? This electron rich oxygen will abstract this hydrogen, okay, and this bond will be, the electron from this bond will be shifted towards this oxygen, okay, and we will have a structure something like this. Please check the structure a bit. We'll have a structure something like this. This is a very easy mechanism, just you need to practice a bit and you will be able to do it in very easy, okay. I hope that this mechanism is quite clear to you. Okay, now basically what will happen, there will be elimination of the water molecule will occur. See how this bond will be shift here, and as a result this carbon is not allowed to make 5 bonds, so this OH will be set free, okay, and we will have, and what we will have here will be eliminated water molecule, this H and this OH, okay, water molecule is been eliminated, and we are here in the final structure, that is something like this. Okay, here is the double bond and here the methyl group, and this is the derivative of the indole been synthesized, derivative of indole is been synthesized here. So this was the Madelung synthesis. For more video lecture on chemistry, please like and subscribe my channel. Thank you. Keep supporting.